If you put, since they run through the same sprite, they'll look the same in the game, but with some, you know, effects, well, we can change it. So add a draw event, execute code, put this code in draw sprite extended, put the sprite, just write down, this basically sets a code that alters the image. So basically, if you look at the bottom, it asks us for the sprite, so we can put SBR castle. But since I want you guys to learn some, you know, complex code, well, it's not really complex, just a substitute, we can just put sprite index, which basically means the name of the sprite we have. So it's practically the same if you put SPR castle or sprite index, because, you know, the sprite index is SPR castle. Now we put sub image, you can put 0, which basically, if you check, number of sub images 1. This is image 0, sub image. For example, for this one, there's 2 sub images because it animates. But again, if you just set it, then it won't animate. That's why we're going to put image index, so it keeps it. X, we'll leave it as X because we want to keep at the coordinates that we are in. X scale, just put image X scale, or just put 1, so it does not make it, does not stretch it or make it taller, etc. Rotation, just put 0, or image angle if you want. Color, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put C red, and alpha, just put 1, or if you want image alpha. Alright. There are advantages to putting image like these variables in rather than a number. Image alpha can be like, you know, it goes from 0 to 1, so I can put 1. It can be fully transparent, or image alpha, which its default will be 1. For example, if I want the advantages of putting these, if I want my object to go, let's say when its health is halfway, you know, I'll put its image alpha to 0.5. And since it's already image alpha, there's no need to put this to 0.5 or doing another if draw, you know. It's more easy and convenient, if you get what I mean. Now, first of all, create. We're gonna put spawn is equal to 1. That means it's just a variable spawn is equal to 1. And put the alarm 0 is equal to let's say 60 ticks. You may think, like, how do I know how many ticks there are in a second? If you open a room, you can see the speed. The room speed is 30. So it means there's basically 30, you know, ticks or steps in a second in this program. And if you go in the step event for the soldier, it will basically, you know, run through this code 30 times in a second. Now for bad castle, in a create event, that means it will activate alarm 0, which will be our event, after 60 ticks. And since our room speed is 30 ticks per second, or 30 steps, that means it will activate it in 2 seconds from when it's created. So now, first of all, I'll put alarm 0 is equal to 60 again. That means alarm 0 will, you know, run again. It will activate in another 2 seconds. So it keeps on looping. And we're going to put spawn is equal to 1. You may think, why would I want to put spawn is equal to 1 every 2 seconds? But we're not finished yet, so just wait. Now go